up? It's your on here again. But yes. So today I'm actually gonna show you something that I made last night. And yes, please no hate and say that it's ugly and stuff like that. Because it's a slime vending machine, as you can see. And there's just like random stickers on there, like school stickers. Yeah, and it requires money, but like it's not a machine. It's not like a real machine that like you have to have money to play it or get slime or whatever. But yes, so don't forget to like and subscribe up there, down there, or if right here. And don't forget to comment down below. So yes, without further ado, let's just get started. Oh yeah, guys. And it requires any money. And sorry if you hear yelling, my mom's talking to my brother. But yes, I was showing you guys this. Like there's a lever right there, and there's toothpicks there I'm mixed with. And I was showing you guys this. And then after I do that, then I'm gonna show you guys the back. So yes. So now without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so I got my quarter or whatever right here, and so I wrapped all this blue duct tape. I try to make it like cool, like a pattern, since it's gonna be a lot of blue tape. So yeah, I kind of failed, but whatever. So you're gonna put your quarter in. So next so there's a lever, not a lever on the side. You're basically just gonna do that. And the glue, that says glue slot, by the way, right there. You get your glue out, and as you can see, here's my glue. So I don't have like containers like small enough that have lids, so I had to use duct tape. It's fine, but yes. So here's the borax and water thing, and you're gonna get your toothpick. So now I just have to get all this duct tape off, and you can just throw it this way. I mean, or if you want to save it, you can. And this is made with a shoebox tape, like toothpicks or whatever. No, not toothpicks. It's like, yeah, it's just made with that stuff, and it's also made with like cardboard for the lever and stuff. And yeah. So I finally got it off. So as you can see, I have a pretty decent amount in there. So I'm just gonna pull it closer to you guys. So here's the little spray thing. So now I'm just gonna and this may look familiar because it's from the kit Beatos. They like stick together and stuff with water. Magical water. So it's pretty hard to get, but it's fine. You can like get it. So okay. So I'm just gonna okay, so I got some, now I'm just gonna mix it up. I just got a little bit on the table. So it's already forming, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna keep on adding some, and it's easy to get now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on spraying it. So it's like, And yes, the sticker fell off. I don't care. They're just crappy stickers. So, yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay. I know, right? Sorry, but I finally got it. You can see. So now, there's bags in the back. Have to get a bag. Never mind. I will be right back. Yeah. Woo. Okay, so I'm now kneading it. So now you can just put your toothpick back in the hole. Sorry if you hear talking. Again, my mom's talking to my brother again. So, yeah. Mom, I'm making a video. Okay. Sorry, that's my mom talking to me, obviously. So I said, Mom.
Here's this stuff. You're not even dry.
So it's obviously going to be sticky, but then you just have to knead it.
Here's the sleeve shirt.
But yeah.
They freezing? Here, put some socks on too. Because it's going to be cold tonight.
Okay, so yes, I'm back. Huh?
No, I'm in there.
So yes. So now you just zip your bag. Obviously, duh. Okay, so that was like basically how it works. So I got my sign right, so I'm gonna put it with my other sign in here. Yeah. So and now I'll show you guys the inside. So let's just get started. Okay, so as you can see, I am down on my knees, but this is a shoe look, like I said.
Hurry up, I need to get the shower.
Okay. So this is the back. See the front. Now the back. Okay, so yeah. That's so I am getting my iPod so that I can have a light on to show you guys it. So yes, I'll be right back. Okay, so I sort of got it. I mean, it's not the best, but I mean, you can see it. So, as you can see on the inside, so I'll show you what's at the top. So, I keep on saying so. Okay, so at the top, you can see a little thing. This holds my coins, as you can see, and as you can see, this thing this is the lever, and this is like where you like put the container of the glue on. Yeah, so put the container of glue right there, and as you can see, right, so now at the bottom, so now at the bottom, yes, there's sorry about the super dumb bad lighting. I don't even know why, but it's just like, dude. But yeah, so right here, there's like a thing, because when say this has glue in it, it doesn't, obviously. But say it has glue in it, so you push it there, and so that it doesn't go over here, so you can just reach out and get it, it like directs it. And then right here, my finger is like where the opening is. That's where you get it out, the glue. And I like this a lot because you just push it there. I like this. Okay, so now here, so there's the toothpicks as you can see, and I have a lot of tape. And here's the coin slot. So the glue I'm using orange glue, and I put it right here between. And then I have my little, I have my bags to store the slime in. Then I have this little container here, as you can sort of see. Here, I'll show you. So right there you can see the thing. That is a container that holds these glue containers. So I just yellow one for like if I want to make medium. This if I want to make a small batch. This if I want to make another medium one. And this one if I want to make a lot. But yeah, so they don't fit snug. They just go like that, and then I put my bags in like this. It has to be like this in order for it to work. I mean, it would like work like that, but it slips. So I'm thinking of a way to like put a little thing here and then put the bags there so that you can just grab one out instead of going from the bottom. But yeah. So then I just put my glue right there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing else. Basically, I'm gonna show you. But yeah, so that was the front and the back. Yeah, I was trying to go for a Halloween theme, but I don't have black construction paper and stuff. But yeah, so don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if I should do another vending machine. I think I'm going to. But yes, so bye. Don't forget to subscribe up there and there, right here. Bye. Peace out.